This is Stocktake for WooCommerce, end-to-end, in one pass. Free first, then Pro. A Stocktake starts by deciding what you are counting. Name it and scope it. The whole shop, or one category. A count you can finish beats one you abandon. The whole shop this time. Creating it takes a snapshot, what WooCommerce believes right now, line by line. That snapshot is what you will be counting against. Nothing has changed yet. Counting does not touch your stock. Now count. Scan a barcode, and the line is counted. No product page, no searching, no typing askew. If the shelf disagrees with the scan, correct it on the row. Dark roast. The system says 48. The shelf has 44. Vinegar is the other way. 2 more. Both directions are normal. Only finding losses means the count is being fudged. And peppermint tea agrees exactly. That counts too. Here's the variance. 3 lines, 2 of them out. In units and in money. Because -4 coffees and -4 teas are not the same loss. That is the number you take to whoever asks. Nothing has been written to stock yet. This is still a proposal. Apply it. And the shop is corrected. 44. 1 click. Every line that differed, nothing that did not. If that was wrong, undo it. A restore point is written before every apply automatically. Back to 48. That is the whole free plugin. Scope, count, price the difference, apply, undo. Pro adds the screens you want once counting is a habit. Stock pulse. What is moving? What is about to run out? What is not sold in 90 days? Valuation at what you paid, not what you charge. Retail, cost, and the profit sitting on the shelves. Insights. Which items earn the attention and whether your accuracy is improving. 5 counts here, 58% to 92. Quick stock check for the counter. Scan. See live stock. Fix it there. No stock take, no product page. And every apply this store has ever made, each one reversible. Plus, goods in, tally counting, count sheets and approval. Everything in the first half is free on WordPress.org. The Pro screens are the second half. Links are below.